In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google AdSense to your GoDaddy website step by step. If you want to start monetizing your website and earn money from ads, this is the complete beginner-friendly guide you need. I'll also show you the correct method that works even if you're using GoDaddy's website builder. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the important approval step. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and monetization tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to adsense.google.com. Once you're there, click on Get Started or Sign In, depending on whether you already have an account. Log in using your Google account. After signing in, Google AdSense will ask you to add your website URL. Enter your GoDaddy website address carefully and continue. At this point, Google may ask you to place a piece of code inside the head section of your website. Now here's something very important. If you are using GoDaddy's free plan, you cannot directly access the head section to paste code. So instead of worrying about that, scroll down and click on the option that says, I'll create ad units instead. This allows you to move forward without adding header code right away. Now we're going to create an ad unit manually. Inside your AdSense dashboard, go to Ads, then click on Ad Units and choose Display Ad. You'll be asked to select an ad size. I recommend choosing responsive because it automatically adjusts to different screen sizes, including mobile devices. After choosing the format, click Create. Google will now generate a piece of ad code for you. This is the code you need to place on your GoDaddy website. Click Copy and keep this code ready. Next, open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products, find your website, and click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website builder. Now we're going to add the AdSense code to your site. Inside the website editor, click on Add Section. Scroll down through the section options until you find HTML Embed. Select HTML Embed and then click Add. A custom code box will now appear on your page. Paste the AdSense code you copied earlier into this box. After pasting the code, click Done. You can now drag and position this section anywhere on your page where you want ads to appear. Many people place ads in the middle of blog content, in the sidebar area, or near the footer. Choose a placement that makes sense for your layout and user experience. Once everything looks good, click Publish in the top corner. This step is very important because your changes must be live before Google can review your website. Now that your ad code is live, go back to your Google AdSense dashboard. You should see an option to request review or verify your site. Click on that button. Google will now manually review your website. Approval typically takes between 1 to 3 days. The good news is that header code is not required for this manual approval process when you've added ad units directly using the HTML embed method. Once your website gets approved, ads will automatically start showing in the areas where you place the code. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google AdSense to your GoDaddy website and set it up the correct way. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more website building and online info tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.